Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to improve your typing skill and type like a pro. But before you do that, if you're new to my YouTube channel, karibu nyumbani. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena. Let's dive into the video. The thing that you want to do is open any browser. Then type ZType. Then press enter. You see the first option that you get, click on it. Now guys, you'll be able to play this game. This game is a shooting game and it's going to improve your typing. Like, let me show you. Now you have to type these names. This is going to improve your typing skills, guys. Try it out and let me know, guys. And if you're enjoying this kind of content that I'm making for you guys, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications when I upload such an amazing video as this one, guys. And say something in the comment section. Keep on playing this game. It's going to help you improve your typing skills, guys. That's all that I have for you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.